So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the color of the background or change the background color of a design here in Canva. So it's super simple. I'll show you guys a couple different ways on how you can do this if you're interested. But just starting off with the most basic way, I just have a blank background right here, a blank design. All you got to do is press on this design in this top left corner right here. I want you to press where it says background color. And now you're greeted with a bunch of different screens. So if you just want to pick one of the default colors, you can just pick any of the colors that are presented right here. So if I want a green background, there you go. If I want an orange background, if I want a red background, whatever color it may be, there are some default options. Now, if you want to add maybe more of a custom color, not a big deal as well. I'll go to where it says document colors right here and it says add a new color. I want you to press on that. Now you're greeted with more of a gradient. So if I want a different shade of red, I can grab this little area right here, drag it down, drag it up, drag it to the left, drag it to the right. If you want to maybe change it to more of a green color, just slide it over to the green palettes right here. And there you go. So that's just the first method of changing the background color. Now let's just say you want maybe 2 colors, for example, or 3 colors, or whatever the case may be. Another way you can do this is just by deleting this background. I want you to go to the left-hand side here to where it says elements. I want you to go to where it says lines and shapes. And just for this example, I want you to use the square as a shape. So once you do that, I want you to drag it. Let's say we want to go half and half with the design. So drag it to halfway through. I will drag it down. Just like that. I'm going to copy and paste this just like this. So basically I have 2 gray squares acting as the background. Now, if I want to change this left side and make it, let's just say red background, I will just change it to red. If I want to change this background, I will change it to green. And there you go. I have now a red and green background. If you just want to maybe make it a little bit more of that, not that, line in the middle, there you go. And just like that, that is how you can change the color of a background or change the background color of a design in Canva. I hope this video helped.